1870s, the heart of Texas, where the sun blazes and the land stretches as far as dreams. Amidst the dust and the vast horizon, a cowgirl with fierce determination and a cowboy with rugged charm drive cattle across untamed terrains. As they confront rattlesnakes, river crossings, and nighttime whispers, an undeniable spark flares between them. The campfires aren't the only things igniting on this journey. Each day deepens their bond, a connection as vast and wild as the land they traverse. But the frontier is wild, and love even wilder. As the trail winds down, they must choose. Return to their separate worlds or chase the passionate adventure awaiting them. Dive into this Wild West romance and let your heart gallop free.